Welcome to the lunar phase simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate the motions of Earth and the Moon. Select the names of the phases of the Moon in the top right-hand corner of the screen to show the appearance of the Moon in the main screen location relative to Earth. You can select the plus day button on the bottom of the screen to observe the motion of the Moon in the main screen and the phases of the Moon as shown in the top right-hand corner of the screen. The Start Animation button displays the movement of the Moon and Earth over time. The diagram in the lower right-hand corner of the screen shows the appearance of the Moon and the Sun as observed by a person on Earth. The plus and minus animation rate buttons are used to slow down or speed up the motion of Earth and the Moon. The Show Angle option displays the angle between the new moon and the current moon position. The Show Lunar Landmark button places a flag on a set location on the moon to determine the rate of rotation of the moon on its axis. The Show Time tick marks indicate the time on Earth relative to an observer on Earth.